Welcome everyone, I am Helper Boy and you're watching Helper Boy YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain a problem from probability and statistics. So question is, what is the chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays? So let's see the solution. We know that a leap year contains 366 days, that is 52 complete weeks and 2 days over. So here is the possible combination of these 2 days. So these 2 days may be Monday or Tuesday, or also this day can be Tuesday or Wednesday. Also, it may be Wednesday or Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday. Also, a possibility that these 2 days are Thursday and Friday. Similarly, it also can be Friday and Saturday. Also, it may be Saturday and Sunday. Or it should be Sunday or Monday. So we write this also in sample space. So our sample space look like this: Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Thursday and Friday, Friday and Saturday, Saturday and Sunday, Sunday and Monday. So therefore, the n of s is equal to 7. So now the event E is a leap year contains 53 Sundays. 53 Sundays. So therefore, n of E is equal to 2. Because in sample space you can see here there are 2 Sundays. Sunday appears 2 times. One is with Saturday and another is with Monday. So Saturday and Sunday, Sunday and Monday. So n of E is equal to 2. So therefore, probability of event E is equal to n of E upon n of S. That is number of event, that is favorable event, upon number of sample space. So here n of E is equal to 2 and n of S is 7. So it comes out to be equal to 0.286. That is 28.6%. So here is the probability of 53 Sundays. So here is the probability of a leap year contain 53 Sundays. That is 28.6%. Thank you.